In order to join the MrBeast Gaming Events Discord server, what you want to do is you want to open up any web browser like you normally would. You could do this both on a mobile device or on a desktop. For this video, I'm just using my mobile phone, so just open up Google Chrome like you normally would. If you're on an Android device, if you're on an iOS device like an iPhone, then you will need to open up Safari. Then all you need to do is look up MrBeast Gaming and then Discord just like so. Then you want to go to the first link that does appear. So you want to make sure that it is the correct one. You're able to tell that it is the correct Discord server if there is a lot of players online, nearly 400,000 members in this Discord server. So that is the correct one, but you just want to go ahead and click on the link just like so. And also you need to make sure that you have Discord installed on your device if you haven't already, regardless of whether you're on a mobile device, on a desktop, etc. Anyways, once you're here, please go ahead and select on accept invite right over here. All right, guys, and then afterwards, here you go. It is now going to take you to the official MrBeast Discord servers. They're going to announce when all the events are happening and stuff like that. So go over here to where it says assign roles, and then you'll see this section that says you must complete a few more steps before you can talk. So let's just go ahead and complete it. You need to verify your email address on Discord if you haven't already. Then you need to scroll down, press on I've read, and then select on complete just like so. Then you need to select on what type of game you want to play. So if you have Minecraft, for example, you want to play in a MrBeast Minecraft event, please select on Minecraft role just like this. All right, then afterwards, be sure to be on the lookout for any events. If you guys found this video helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.